Well, out here helping a farmer tow a combine. It's gonna be pretty interesting. We gotta go like 8 miles with it. Yeah, so built a big old, or modified a big hitch thing. I'm gonna get it over here and get it up here and weld it on. See if this works out today. He's on his way with the big tractor, so I'm gonna follow him with my hazard lights on and go from there. I'm gonna hook right onto the front where the attachment goes and weld the hell out of it. Alright, getting this hitch mocked up. We're gonna pull it with that tractor for 8 miles. And I'm gonna follow them. But here's what we got. Got her all tacked in with 6010. I'm gonna come back through with 7018. I'm about to wire wheel everything. I'm about to fucking uphill and blast the shit out of all this. Cause I don't want it to come off, so. But I modified this a little bit to fit this application. There it is. Stay tuned for some more. Got it all welded up. Oh. Holy shit. Uh-oh. We sunk it in the hole. Uh-oh, alright. Well, we got her stuck, and now it's up to the old Cummins. Well, two!
And you can pick your class.
Alright. 4 low, lock. He's gonna put it in reverse. I got it hooked to my trailer. He's supposed to give me the thumbs up and he's ready. Helps if I take my... I'm gonna give her the... Well, we are on the road. Pretty much bent my hitch on my truck. I'm still towing my flatbed trailer, but trying to tow this thing out of a hole, I bent my hitch, which is crazy. But yeah, we're on our way, slowly but surely, to the farm. So it's working so far.